Hello, everybody. Good morning. I hope you are having a beautiful day. So, I have this piece of land in behind my apartment. Is apartment is where we stay. I have this piece of land. You can see from here down to. I've not really measured it, so I don't know the size yet, but I know it's big enough for what I want to do. So, to this point, just before this planting. That's the end of apartment. So then down to there. So I don't know. So I'm thinking of the kind of poultry coop to put here. Thinking of building or constructing a wooden house for the birds. Remember his layers we want to do, and also put into consideration that this is not a permanent residence. This is a rented apartment, and it has this size of land behind us. And I feel it's something we can do. So we still have another portion here just before this other planting as well. This is our gen house, and this is behind the house, just before this mango here. So I don't know if I want to construct a wooden house, how many and what size. If I want to construct, where can I use? So I've cleared it because I want to make use of it before the rainy season starts and wheat starts to grow, and we'll have to start clearing weeds instead of making good use of it.